Okay, y'all fanatics, welcome back to Bermudagrass Central with BYD. Look, if I got grass or anything in my hair, I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm due for a haircut. I know all the gray stuff coming. Cream of Nature will take care of that next week. But guys, listen, I'm trying to get this resurrection video up, but I'm having some issues.
You're watching Bermudagrass Central, changing the world 1 yard at a time.
Okay, guys, the issues that I'm having, if you look in the background, you can see. All right, we've cut this Bermuda lawn down to, I think it's less than 1 inch, all right? And like I said, it's patches, different types of grasses, I put it to you like that, over there, and we got different over there. Matter of fact, let me show you up front. Okay, yard fanatics, this is the backyard again. Like I said, we got three types of grass. On this side, we got common Bermuda. All right, and I'll zoom in so you can just see it. Like I said, I don't try to hide anything. I don't try to set up a pretty part of my lawn, make it good for the YouTube video, because you the homeowner, you may be going through this. As they say in church, this is my testimony. All right, but check this out. We still got some poor patches and they're dying off. We sprayed that, all right? But this is the common Bermuda side over here. It's greening up, guys. Bear in mind, I haven't put any fertilizer in this yard yet, all right? And on this side, let me pan over there, we got the hybrid side, all right? All that's hybrid Bermuda, all of it. Hybrid Tifway 419. And I'll zoom in a little closer so you can see that it's coming up, baby. It's coming up. And that is right at, I put my finger in it, roughly 1 inch, guys, roughly 1 inch. All right. This is the freaking, I almost said something else. This is the freaking issue. It's this dang on ryegrass. And listen, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. You still see the little patches where it washed out, but from the street, you can't see that. I just cut this, and before I cut it, you couldn't see the patches, all right? So let's walk over to the other side. And this is why you saw that thumbnail, rye, you should not do this to your Bermuda lawn. All right, check this out. Look, over here we got both of the mowers. We got the 22-inch snapper all-wheel drive SP110 with the Honda 160cc engine on it. And over here, we got the X-Mark 36-inch at its cutting at its max. Guys, the ryegrass looks great, but it's freaking work. And yes, you see it, crush thy neighbor in full effect. Full effect. But guys, this grass, these temperatures kind of up and down, and lately it got back cold, all right? And what I want you to see on this side over here, is actually my property. I took the 22-inch, cut it all the way down to the white meat, and you see it's struggling to green up because it's not getting any sunlight because it's all this ryegrass. The transition takes longer. One of the other issues is I might have some weeds up under here, guys. This part of my yard has not had any pre-emergent on it since it wasn't even October. When was it? I think July of last year, because I knew I was, excuse me, no, I take that back. April of last year, because 1 year, because I knew that I was gonna try to do this ryegrass. Guys, if you're gonna do ryegrass, make sure you do the annual ryegrass, because if you do that perennial, you have a hard time getting rid of it. You end up trying to spray stuff on it to kill it off. All right. So you see how that looks from the street. Freaking awesome, man. Look at this. BYD is not crush thy neighbor. It's crush thy neighborhood. Everybody keeps driving by. What in the hell is that in your yard? How is your Bermuda so green and thick now? That's not Bermuda. That's ryegrass. And this is rye. You should not do this, because I'm scared to put down my fertilizer, guys. I've been priming you guys for this purely organic plant-based, 100% all organic fertilizer. And by the way, I got another video about 100% organic. There's another way to get this. There's a link up there. Click on that later on after you finish watching this video. But guys, I was ready to go. Then I started trying to cut this stuff, man, and I can't take it down because it's gonna be too much. I'm gonna have to inch this down. I'm gonna have to cut this thing every 2 days with sharp blades to get me going. And like I said, guys, look, I was ready to do the resurrection video. I got 20,000 square feet of purely organic. My property is 17.5. One thing about doing, well, I think 17,000, let's just say that. One thing about doing that right there, I can't under apply, I can't over apply. Regardless how much you put down, it's not gonna hurt. Now that doesn't mean go put 2 million square feet on 10,000 square feet. That's just ridiculous. But you get my point. You can't hurt your lawn by doing that right there, okay? So, guys, I thought you should see this video before BYD goes ahead and put down this purely organic, because I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm kind of scared, man. I can't stop this from growing. I literally cannot stop this from growing. Me and BYD Jr. cut this today, guys. Remind you, today is Tuesday. We cut this Thursday, right? I just took an inch off, all right? You see this part back here? BYD cut the whole thing with that 22-inch snapper. He used a bagger. You see that bagger on there? He used that bagger on there. He got 3 bags, all right? I just cut it. I got 6 bags. Same mowing height. That's how fast this stuff is growing. No fertilizer's been put on this. When I put it on here, it is going to pop like popcorn, guys. It's gonna pop like popcorn, like I said. This is just a short video, guys. The resurrection video will be coming. Click on those links up there. Tell you how to kill weeds, all that. Guys, also, guys, if you wanna support the channel, and I hadn't picked the winner for that. I got 5 on it. If you watch that video to the end, you know what I'm talking about. If I'm saying I got 5 on it and you don't know what I'm talking about, you didn't watch my Home Depot Lowe's Spring Black Friday video all the way to the end. Those people who are putting that down there are entering a chance to win 2 pair of gloves instead of 1. So go watch the end of that video. Comment on the bottom, I got 5 on it, and you may win 2 pair of gloves. But guys, check this out. If you want to support BYD, Bermudagrass Central, a couple of things you could do. You can support directly through PayPal. That link is at the top right corner of my page. Click on it, donate whatever you want. That helps the channel, guys. BYD doesn't put it in his pocket. You guys are asking for bigger giveaways. Help me get you there. The other way, watch all my videos. Make sure you like them, subscribe them, share them. All right, the other way, BYD has a storefront on Amazon. So any of the products that I talk about, you want to order, go through my storefront and order those products. And the way it works, just to be honest with you, we get kickbacks, not much. I mean, basically pennies on a dollar, but it helps the channel anyway. So if I get 40 million people to go order some fertilizer, I might make about $8, okay? So go ahead, guys, support the channel. I'm gonna put that website right down here at the bottom for those of you who want to go ahead and write it down, because you may be on a mobile device, all right? And I'm gonna put the link in the description. You can click directly on that and order any product you want. I got a spring checklist down there, but just click on it, go into Amazon like you normally do, and anything you order that day, BYD will get a small kickback. That helps the channel grow, guys. That way I can try to keep up with some of these mega YouTubers, but BYD isn't going anywhere. So if you don't support me, I'll still be here, okay? But go ahead, click on that, order away, guys. Like I said, we're rolling with purely organic this year. Use the Let's Go spreader, order anything you want, but click on that link, order your products, okay? And guys, just remember one thing. You are tuned into Bermudagrass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon.